Okay guys, let's get started with the video. So what you want to do is you want to buy your motherboard. I've got my motherboard in this box right here. It just came in the mail. It comes with my 1TB HDD Western Digital hard drive. It comes with my graphics card included. It also comes with my DVD-ROM. Which we'll talk about later, what it goes to. And here is the motherboard. Okay, so I also am having another box coming in just a second. Oh, it's right here, so I'll be right back, guys. Okay, guys, so I carried this box from the front door, which is all the way over in that side, and inside my house and stuff. And yeah, it's such a heavy box. So, this is really, really heavy and really hard to carry, guys. So, bear with me that it's just so heavy. So, let's get inside of the box. Oh, yeah, oh man, that really hurt my arms. And yeah, I got a pretty bracelet. But yeah, so we've got our RAM. Right here, it's a total of 8 gigs. We've got our game that we're going to be playing, Minecraft. And we've got our processor. So, yeah, processor Core i6 82nd generations. So, yeah. Alright, so let's get started with the real thing. We'll set that box aside over there. And now what you want to do, free hinge came with it. We'll use that later. Now, my camera died. What you want to do, so this little thing will be down on your motherboard. And you got your ASUS heatsink for whatever that thing is under there. And what you want to do is you want to lift this little arm, just like that. If you can lift it up like that, and then open that like that. Take your processor, and careful because there's delicate pins right here that if you break any of them, then yeah, you guys, you'll be in big trouble. And so yeah, as I was saying, yeah, you don't want to damage any of these. So yeah, lift this little thing up and try your best not to damage any of these. They're called LGA 775 pins, and you can see mine are in perfect condition. Nothing's wrong with them. We've got a RAM right there. Now, open that up. There we go. Now take your processor and set it right there. Make sure it's perfectly set in there. And then now put that thing down and put the little arm like that. And I don't know where my heatsink is, so I don't have a heatsink in this video. Maybe that's what this is for? I don't know. Well, what you want to do now is you want to put your RAM in the computer like that, and then put the RAM, come on, fit in, and put the RAM in there. And we're nearly done, guys. This hinge came with these pins over here, so I guess you could just set that on the processor. Now, actually remove that from the processor. What you want to do, you want to have some thermal paste handy. You can see here I've got some thermal paste. Yeah, some nice thermal paste. What you want to do, open the tube of thermal paste and just put a little bit of it on like that. Just a little bit. just a little bit like that. There we go. Okay, so we've got our thermal paste on there. Now what you want to do is like take this that came in it and just like rub it around there like that, because that'll make it nice and lovely. Okay, so you got our thermal paste taken care of. Okay, so now you want to take your graphics card and it's supposed to go in like that. There we go. So yeah, put your little graphics card in like that, and you can just like take your little hinge and I don't know, set that down there. And now for the DVD-ROM, what you want to do is carefully set it on the thermal paste on the processor. Well, actually, I'm not sure what way it's supposed to go on the processor, but I don't know. We'll just maybe that. I think that's good enough. Now, what you want to do is you want to get your Western Digital hard drive and just put that there. If I can, there. So yeah, just rub that thermal paste a little bit. You can set the DVD-ROM in the little RAM slots, and you guys are almost done. What you want to do now, take that hard drive and set it right there, I guess, because it won't stay. And now you want to take your Minecraft and set it right on the processor, just like that, so you'll get extra gaming performance, because you know, guys, you'll want that. And then get your thermal paste out, and then let me just squeeze like that, so bottom of the tube, and then put some thermal paste onto there like that. Okay guys, we're nearly done. That's falling down again. We'll just set it like right there. And now this should have also, you should also have this handy. You want to just place it like that. And if you want to, if you're gonna like use the thermal paste sometimes, like if you wanna reapply sometimes, what you can do is just set it where the graphics card is to save a lot of space and time. There we go. Okay guys, so you're nearly set. But what you need to do, you want to get your power cable there. And now guys, you're pretty much done. You want to also connect it up to Wi-Fi. So get your router right there. Set it right there. And if you don't want to use Wi-Fi, you can just put it away. But yeah, so there's if you just want to put it away. And now, okay, so as I was saying, you want to take this up. Oh, I dropped my power supply. And like put it somewhere. So I'll just like set it right there. And yeah, there's the power supply that I dropped. There we go. Come on. Okay, so now guys, you're all done. You just have to get some of the cords. You know, if you know what I mean, you get the cords. And guys, you're all done. Got your computer all set. Ready for gaming and normal use. But yeah, guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I thank you everyone that stayed to watch this video, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye, everyone.